I believe it's not what you say, but how you say it. It doesn't matter if you're a business leader or a salesperson. You may think you know what you sound like, but unless you've recorded yourself, you really don't. I've recorded sales reps' conversations with customers only to hear them tell me afterward they couldn't believe it was them talking. More interestingly, they would say things like, "I didn't realize I sounded so timid or loud or so vague." The sound and tone of your voice is especially important if you use the phone to make your living. When you make a call, you need to sound calm, confident, knowledgeable, happy, and businesslike. If you're serious about being a sales professional or a founder trying to grow your business, start recording yourself. Record yourself when you're practicing cold calling as a dress rehearsal for the big closing call. One of the great things about recording yourself is that you have instant feedback. Part of any good system is to deliver the feedback right away. Over time, even minutes, feedback loses effectiveness. This simple self-help project can take your game up a couple notches, and it just might make the difference between winning and losing. I hope this helps.